Welcome to Coast, where turning your money into crypto is simple, fast, and global. In this video, we're focusing on Revolut, a great option for many of our international users looking to deposit into Coast from over 50 supported countries. With Revolut, you can easily send USD using their international transfer feature, even if your account is funded in another currency. The exchange rates are competitive, and the process is smooth from start to finish. We're going to walk you through every step to make sure you're confident using it, but here's the best part: once you've added Coast as a transfer recipient, future deposits are lightning fast. We're talking a few taps and under 30 seconds. Let's jump in. Depositing with Revolut. First, you'll want to get the transfer details. To get these details, go to the Coast deposit page. Then, select the Revolut option. Once you have the transfer details, you'll fund your Revolut account. First, go to revolut.com. Then, get the Revolut app. Once downloaded, log in to Revolut. Add money using the Add Money button. Then, click Change Payment Method. Select Regular Bank Transfer. You'll then choose to add money with SWIFT. To add money with SWIFT, log into your online banking. Select the Pay Anyone option. Go to Manage Recipients. Add a recipient. Fill in the Revolut details. Manage International Recipients. Go to Make a Payment. Select the Transfer Funds Overseas option. Perform the international money transfer and confirm the exchange rate. You should see a Payment Successful pop up. Next, you will fund your Coast account. To fund your Coast account, log into Revolut. Then, select Transfer. Click Add New Recipient. Then select Bank Account Recipient. Choose the Business Recipient option and add the new bank details. Next, enter the new recipient address. Save the recipient. Enter the amount of money and the reference code. If you forget to enter your reference code, your deposit will need to be manually processed and may be significantly delayed. Review your transfer. Once finished, you'll be updated with a timeline of the transfer.